And welcome. Today we're going to look at the product from INIU. They offer 3 years of warranty, and it's a USB-C to USB-C cable that supports fast charging for up to 240 watts. So these are the two cables. You get the user manual, and they're in this orange color and it's braided. So let's just have a look at one. I really like how they have this little rubber thing to keep the cables tidy. This is quite long as well. So they are 2 meters long each, and it's tangle free, which I really like. Very nice and soft. And if we look at the one side is like that, USB-C, and the other side it's like this, still USB-C. So now let's just try. I won't have anything to charge with 240 watts, but we can charge a power bank, and we'll see how fast it goes from 100 watts. So that's plugged in the source into this Anker power bank. See what's happening. See if it says. So 40, 50. Without any problems. 100 watts in. And if you have 240, I'm sure that will work as well. So yeah, there you have it.